When a pattern calls for an increase, it's just telling you to put 2 or more stitches into one stitch. So I'm just starting with a little foundation of single crochets. I have 10 stitches. So I'm going to chain 1, turn to start my next row. I'm going to do 1 single crochet. Actually, I'll do 2 single crochets normally. And then I'll say that the pattern calls for 2 in the next stitch. So you just do 2 single crochets in the next stitch. Doesn't matter what stitch you're doing, double crochet, treble, half double, if it calls for, it'll just say 2 in the next stitch or more. Okay, then we'll do 2 regular single crochets. And then we'll do our next increase, it'll be 2 in the next stitch. We'll do 2 more regular single crochets, and then we'll do an increase in the next. So 1 single crochet, and in the same stitch you can do another one. 2, and that's how easy increases are. And then we'll do a single crochet in the last stitch. So I said we started off with 10, so now this row has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13 from the increases that we did.